My name is Abigael Kutto. I'm a technician at Scania East Africa, the headquarters, which is Nairobi. As a technician, my job is troubleshooting vehicles, doing maintenance, and installing electrical systems in our trucks and buses. I also like the Scania culture and the work policy that is fair for all. When I get to work, I get assigned work by my foreman. My assignment today is to install alcohol lock. The alcohol lock is like a pre-installed alcohol blow. The vehicle will not start until the analysis test passes. There is a misconception that if you're a technician, you need a lot of energy, and how I'll address it is you just need a lot of thinking, and if you can think properly, you'll make work easier. So you get the checklist, you walk around the vehicle for any damages you note. Naigurumisha ipate upepo, idistribute upepo kwa all systems ndio ikuwe possible kutilt this steering. Grew up seeing my dad working on machines, and he used to involve me. That grew my interest in machinery. So during my tertiary levels, I got a chance to do automotive engineering. My colleagues are very supportive. Whenever I encounter a new system, they help me understand it. Then do the settings. Yeah. So my mission of installing alcohol lock is successful. Test passed. So you can start the track. Yeah, so the vehicle awaits to be tested by my foreman and maybe the customer. Yeah. Some of the qualities of a good technician is a key to details, creative, a communicator, and very observant. One of the best rewards I get is when a customer comes in with a technical problem on his truck or bus. When I fix it and I see the vehicle going back to business, that's my delight. To encourage more women to get into technical fields, we need to sensitize them on the available opportunities. And my advice to aspiring female technicians is go for it, the sky's the limit.